Hi, welcome to the Cortex Project Manager tutorial. Today, I'll be walking you through the Project Manager so that you can set up your project and get to work. This is the Project Manager. It contains a series of columns that represent the different organizational aspects of a Cortex project. So let's begin by creating a new project. First, decide if you want to create a basic or advanced project. Basic projects minimize required fields for a quick setup, whereas advanced projects expand the fields to optimize for long-term projects with extensive workflows. After entering the project name, you choose whether your project is episodic, such as a TV show, or monolithic, like a feature film or commercial. You then fill in all the related information. Be sure to choose whether the project will be using ACES for color correction. Conventions give you the options for date and name formatting. This is also where you choose your project's frame rate, which prompts Cortex to alert you when imported media does not match the project frame rate. File organization lets you set the directory location for your deliverables, still stores, dead pixel maps, LUTs, and project library. We'll review these at a later time. Okay, let's create the project. The second column will say episodes if your project is episodic, or folders if it's monolithic. A workflow represents a phase in your post-production process and contains a collection of deliverables specific to that phase. For example, a dailies workflow may include deliverables such as DNxHD for editorial, H.264 for dailies review, ProRes 444 for dailies masters, and DVDs for physical distribution. We'll be going over deliverable configurations in a separate tutorial. Every workflow comes with a default preview deliverable that allows the user to configure viewing options for their outputs. You can choose to add default dailies burn-ins to a preview to assist dailies operators. Workflows and deliverables are available project-wide regardless of the chosen episode. Jobs, on the other hand, are tied to the episode and workflow in which they were created. Jobs should be created for every new set of tasks based on your episode or folder. For dailies, typically this equates to a new job per shoot day. For things like a VFX pool, normally you create a new job for each pool within the VFX workflow. The Assets tab will give you a list of any reels or compositions contained in a selected job for easy reference. It also provides a project notes section where user comments can be added on the project level. The Find tab lets you search for media within the selected Cortex project. You can search for media based on the logged metadata in the selected or all episodes, workflows, or jobs. The results window appends its list with every additional search so you can add all the found clips into a new or previously created job. This can be useful for finding clips that have already been delivered to editorial but require revision of color. When the found clips are imported into a new job, they will carry with them essential metadata such as a reel number, allowing for the clips to directly replace the previously delivered ones. At the top of the UI are a few of Cortex's utility options for things like database, hardware components including SDI, GPU, color control panels and CMU, error logs, licensing, DCP documentation, online Cortex tutorials, keyboard and tool shortcut help, and about documentation. Once your project is set up, create a new job and you'll be ready to work. And that's how you get started with Cortex. For other tutorials on Cortex, please go to tutorials.mtifilm.com. For support, to submit a help ticket, or to find other useful information about Cortex, please check out forum.mtifilm.com. Thanks!